The Congress's no confidence motion against the BJP-led the Khattar and the Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala government was defeated today. This as BJP MLAs, of course, and all the JJP MLAs and independents all voted in favor of the BJP. So the Congress hoped that there would be some split over the farmers issue. It didn't come true. The Chief Minister said that he hoped the Congress would keep bringing these kind of votes of no confidence. However, the Congress said they had scored moral points by raising the issues of farmers.
अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के जो 32 सदस्य अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हुए हैं और 55 सदस्य अविश्वास प्रस्ताव के विपक्ष में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हुए।
In just 6 hours, the Congress no confidence motion against the Khattar government collapsed. The final numbers indicated that despite the backlash against the farm bill, the BJP and its allies did not crack. What was especially remarkable was unity among all 10 MLAs of the Jat-dominated JJP, the BJP ally led by Dushyant Chautala. This despite Jat anger against the farm bill, with JJP MLAs facing gheraos by protesters who promised to defeat them if they voted in favor of the Chief Minister. Dushyant even took pot shots at the Congress's Bhupinder Singh Hooda.
1 तारीख से प्रोक्योरमेंट शुरू करवाओ और वहां पर भी ग्वार बाजरे की और तो और हम तो हौसले के साथ कहते हैं इस बार जो खरीदेंगे आप अनाउंसमेंट तो कराकर पंजाब में राजस्थान में दिखाओ.
Even though the result was a foregone conclusion, Mr. Hooda claimed that had the speaker allowed secret voting, the story would have been different.
जब ये गांव में हलकों में नहीं जा सकते और हेलीकॉप्टर लेके कोई कैमरा में जाता है, वहाँ हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड नहीं किया जाता, कोई हेलीकॉप्टर लेके चौटाला में जाता है ना उचाना में जाता है, वहाँ हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं किया जाता, तो आज का हरियाणा की सरकार की क्या स्थिति है?
The Chief Minister, who spoke almost for an hour, appealed to the opposition to not instigate the farmers.
एक ही बात कहूंगा कि अगर घर को आग लग रही हो, तेल डालने का काम विपक्ष का नहीं है, विपक्ष की मर्यादाएं समझ लें. हाँ, आप लोग जा के जो वहां भड़काते हैं, आपके लोग भड़काते हैं.
The BJP-JJP government managed to defeat the no confidence motion moved by the opposition Congress. But as of now, it is a win-win situation for both the parties. Congress will go to the town saying that we have exposed who are the MLAs who didn't side with farmers. While for BJP-JJP government, it is certainly a victory that despite opposition from the farmers, they have managed to save their government. In Chandigarh, Mohammad Ghazali for NDTV.